Hey guys, I'm back. I'm to be recreating Lana Lang's makeup from Smallville. I've been watching Smallville recently and it's so good, and I'm obsessed with Lana's like makeup looks and her style, so I thought I'd recreate that today. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm just gonna add some powder on my bare face. Okay, first I'm gonna add some small concealer. I'm gonna add some of this powder. Okay, next I'm gonna add some of my favorite powder. Okay, next I'm gonna add some blush. Okay, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. Add a little bit of highlight. And now I'm gonna go with some brown eyeshadow. And next I'm gonna add a little eyeliner, you know me and eyeliner. Mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna add some lip liner for that red lip. Next I'm gonna add some little lip gloss. I'm just gonna add some extra concealer, setting spray. Okay guys, this is the makeup. I actually have somewhere where I have to be, which is why I'm in a dress. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and keep up for more.